What do the different colors mean? The colors refer to the grit of the burr, which ranges from extra fine, which is white, to super coarse, which is blue or purple. This orange is extra coarse, green is coarse, red is medium, yellow is fine, and of course the white is extra fine. We recommend the finer grits for beginners because they're less aggressive and easier to handle. The main difference between the grits is how much material they remove and how smooth a surface they leave behind. Finer grits remove less material, leave a smoother surface, but coarser grits remove more material and leave a rougher surface. Any of Saburrtooth grits or tools can carve any material except for metal or ceramics. Ceramics will clog the tools and metal will simply damage them. The carbide cutting teeth are arranged in an open pattern which resists loading or clogging while removing a lot of material and leaving a smoother surface. So I put a scrap of walnut in the vise here to secure it. So because it's a dark wood, I think it'll be easier to see what kind of surface the carving tools leave behind. I'm going to use the angle grinder because I have 4 different grits here of the same shape wheel. Let's start with the coarse one. Some things to consider while you're carving is the direction the wheel is spinning. If you move the tool this way while this is spinning, it may leave tracks. So it's better to pull the tool perpendicular to the direction that it is spinning. That way it'll leave a smoother surface. Also, if you hold the tool in one place for too long, it may burn the wood. Keep the tool moving. Always wait for your tool to stop spinning before setting it down. Another thing to consider too is the grain direction. If the wheel is spinning this way, it'll push down on these fibers, and this side will be smoother, whereas this side it's pulling up on the fibers and will tend to be rougher. So you have to consider the grain direction compared to the direction the tool is spinning. Unplug your tool before changing. It doesn't have to be super tight, just snug, because the action of this spinning will tighten this. It may be difficult to see on camera, but the Extra-coarse is really aggressive, left tool marks behind, tore up the grain a little bit. As you get up to the finer side, it's really easy to get a super smooth surface that doesn't need much sanding at all. Remember to always unplug your tool before putting on a new burr. Make sure you use proper safety precautions. I always wear protective eyewear or even my face shield most of the time to protect my face and eyes. And of course I always wear a dust mask here in the shop. I hope this video was helpful for your tool considerations. Now go make some dust.